This video is focused on our portable stainless steel biochar kiln. Biochar Station offers a few different sizes for portable kilns. This is our small kiln, which can produce 11 liters of biochar. It is smaller and great for personal use and making small-scale biochar. It consists of 4 main components. First is the stand, which is made up of 3 detachable stainless steel legs, providing stability. Second is the outer chamber. The 3 legs of the stand attach at the bottom of the outer chamber. It also has a unique design pattern cut out of the bottom to allow sufficient airflow into the chamber for true biochar production, as well as prevent the formed biochar from falling through the holes. Third is the inner chamber. It has 4 handles on top for easier grip control and to steady the chimney. Small air holes around the top rim of the chamber to allow for more control over the airflow and fire for effective burning. The bottom has more precisely cut holes for controlled and effective airflow into the chamber during the burning process. There are also strips sticking out on the sides for easier grip and to keep the burning chamber from moving around. Fourth is a chimney with a longer neck to control and lessen smoke emissions. It also blocks air from entering the fire from the top and extinguishing it, as well as ensures that airflow only enters through the bottom of the burning chamber.